In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time in GoCharting. Changing the time interval on your chart is one of the quickest ways to shift your perspective and see what price is doing over different periods. Whether you're scanning rapid intraday moves or stepping back to view the broader trend, the process is simple and takes just a couple of clicks. First, look to the top bar of your GoCharting workspace. There, you'll find the time interval menu. It's typically labeled with the current time frame you're on, like 1 for 1 minute, 15 MON for 15 minutes, 4H for 4 hours, or 1D for daily. Click that time interval menu to open the list of available time frames. This is your control center for how much price action is bundled into each candle or bar on your chart. Once the menu is open, select the time frame you want. If you're focusing on very short-term movement, choose a smaller interval like 1 minute. For balanced intraday analysis, 5-minute or 15-minute intervals are popular choices. If you're analyzing swing moves or the bigger picture, 4-hour and daily are great places to start. The moment you select one, your chart will redraw to reflect that setting, and any indicators you've applied will automatically recalculate to match. That way, your moving averages, oscillators, and volume tools stay in sync with the period you're analyzing. As you switch intervals, pay attention to how the same price story can look different. Short intervals highlight momentum bursts and precise entries, while higher intervals smooth out the noise and reveal structure, levels, and trend direction more clearly. If the chart takes a moment to load after switching, that's normal, especially on very granular or very long intervals. Give it a second to fetch and render the data. A helpful habit is to be deliberate about why you're choosing each interval. For quick scalps, stick to smaller time frames to read immediate behavior. For confirmation and context, step up to the 4-hour or daily to validate trend direction and key support or resistance. This top-down approach keeps your analysis consistent without changing anything else in your layout. That's all there is to it. Click the time interval menu on the top bar, pick the time frame you want, and let the chart do the rest. Try a few intervals back to back so you can see how your view evolves, and use that perspective to make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching and happy charting.